All right, guys, I got my Prius Prime. We're going to change this filter out. Look how nasty that is, guys. That is just disgusting, okay? You can get like a little knife or something to pry it open. Actually, just kind of take this out here. Just kind of pull this back. There it is, man. Dude, is that gross or what? Oh, God. Yeah. Anyways, might not be a bad idea to vacuum that out, but here's the new one. Okay, so it gave me 2 sets, so 4 of these total. Okay, so I've got some there, and I got some here, and we're gonna put those in. Call it good. The same, they might be. Oh, actually, you know what? They line up just like that. So you see the little notch, that tab. Make sure that lines up. Okay, but it fits. Fits pretty good. Actually, there you go. And then you got to do the other side over here too. Okay, so you got one over there as well. All right, guys, so peel this back. Okay, pull this out and just pull it. Look how dirty that is. It's so gross. I have never done this. It's got 192,000 miles on it. I think I vacuumed that out a little bit. Anyways, this is the new one. You see that little tab on the bottom? That's gonna fit right into there, okay? I'm gonna snap that into place, put this cover back on, just like that, okay? You can take the rubber gasket, take it back below, and snaps just like that, and then you've got a new one. Good to go. All right, that will keep your battery cool and your Prius Prime running solid. Give it a thumbs up.